The Fish and Mirror Cube is a non-WCA puzzle that was produced by Moyu in 2017. It costs $5 on CubeCZ, about £4. In this video, I'm going to give my thoughts on this cube and discuss whether it's worth buying. The turning of this cube, as with a lot of 3x3 shape mods, is pretty good, but nothing amazing. It's just a cheap 3x3 mechanism, so the turning is similar to an old budget 3x3, because really, in hardware terms, that's what it is. It turns well enough that unless you want to speed solve it, you won't really notice the turning, which is all you need from a non-WCA puzzle. The solve of this cube is actually pretty easy. It solves very similar to a 3x3, with just a few differences. You have to do center orientation on the middle layer centers, and there is a parity that is basically the same as Fisher cube parity. That is everything that makes it harder than a 3x3 solve, other than obviously the recognition of pieces if you're used to colours. But everything else about this cube makes it easier than a standard 3x3 solve. If you solve starting with either the biggest or smallest layer, you always get a PLL skip, and F2L is really easy, as all of the F2L edges and corners are identical to each other. I find it's actually quite fun to speed solve, and it's one of the only non-WCA puzzles that I've spent time speed solving. So, should you get this cube? Well, it depends. Compared to other 3x3 shape mods, I think this is a really good one. So if you want a familiar solve that is just a little bit different to a 3x3, then I do think that this is a better option to get, rather than a Fisher, Windmill or Axis cube. However, at the end of the day, it is only a 3x3 shape mod, so if you want a non-WCA puzzle that is more unique and interesting, I would look elsewhere, because the Fish and Mirror Cube is not going to give you a unique or challenging solve.
What? A last layer skip? No way! I gotta rewatch that.